take a deep breath and let the world fade away. You've arrived at a place of total restoration. Today, we aren't just cleaning, we are resetting. We are bringing comfort and clarity back to where it's needed most. Stay with me, listen to the quiet, and watch the transformation begin. There is a unique peace in the details. Every careful movement is designed to bring relief. Watch as we gently clear away the weight of the day, revealing the freshness hidden underneath. It's a slow, rhythmic process of turning chaos into order. Can you feel the pressure lifting? Listen to the sound of order being restored. We trim with absolute precision, creating a clean, straight line that respects the nail's health. There is something deeply meditative about this stage, seeing the jagged edges disappear to make way for a perfect shape is the ultimate reward for our patience. Achieving this professional result requires the right essentials. I'm using my favorite precision kit and hydrating oil today. They are the secret to maintaining this clean look. If you want to use the same tools I trust, I've linked everything in the description and tagged the products below. Quality tools make every session more satisfying. We are reaching the end of our journey. The surface is smooth, the edges are clean, and the harmony is back. It's amazing how much a little focused care can change the way everything feels. Take one last look at this perfect result. Thank you for spending these quiet moments with me. I hope this restoration brought you the peace and satisfaction you were looking for. If you enjoyed this transformation, please leave a like and tell me in the comments which part was the most relaxing for you. Check the links below for the tools, and I'll see you in our next session of Pure Calm. Stay relaxed